Tired of photos turning out sideways or upside down no matter how hard you try? Let's fix that. This video will show you how to rotate photos directly on your iPhone in just a few seconds. First, tap on the Photos app icon. It's the colorful pinwheel that you'll find on your home screen. This will open your photo library. Now, scroll through your library and locate the photo you want to rotate. Once you find it, tap on the photo to open it in full screen. Look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the word Edit. Tap on it to enter the photo editing mode. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a row of editing icons. Look for the Crop and Rotate tool. It looks like a square with two arrows circling around it. Tap on that. Now, in the top left corner, you'll see a rectangle with an arrow curved around it. This is the Rotate button. Each time you tap this button, the photo will rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Keep tapping the Rotate button until your photo's oriented the way you want it. You can rotate it as many times as needed. Once you're happy with the orientation, look to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see the word Done. Tap on Done to save your changes. And that's it. Your photo is now correctly rotated and saved in your Photos app. Now you can easily share your perfectly oriented photos with everyone. Subscribe for more easy iPhone photography tips.